Today I want to address a very common question that patients have. Doctor, are vaginal ultrasounds safe during pregnancy? I am Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. It is a very valid question because when you're newly pregnant, every procedure can feel worrisome. But let me clarify this for you. First of all, why vaginal ultrasounds are used? In the very early stages of pregnancy, especially the first trimester, the baby and the gestational sac are very tiny. A regular abdominal ultrasound can often not show us clear details. That's where a vaginal ultrasound becomes very useful. Through this method, we can achieve a number of things. We can confirm whether the pregnancy is inside the uterus and not an ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancies could be in the tube, could be in the cervix, could be in the abdomen. So those are dangerous. We can also detect the baby's heartbeat as early as 5.5 to 6 weeks. We also assess the health of the uterus, the ovaries, the surrounding structures, and monitor conditions such as subchorionic bleeds or cysts. So in short, it provides the most accurate picture during early pregnancy. But is it safe? Well, now to the most important part, safety. A vaginal ultrasound is a diagnostic tool and it uses sound waves, not radiation. So it cannot harm the embryo or your baby, the fetus. The probe is covered with a sterile sheath and gently inserted into the vagina. It does not touch the cervix or the pregnancy sac, so it cannot disturb the baby. And many scans have been performed. There is no evidence whatsoever that they cause miscarriage, bleeding, or any harm to the baby. There are international guidelines, including those from the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, which confirm that vaginal ultrasounds are safe at all stages of pregnancy when medically indicated. But there are some common concerns that patients have. Some women worry, will the probe hurt my baby? The answer is no. It never reaches the pregnancy, like I said. While others say, I had spotting after the scan. Is it because of the ultrasound? Well, in such cases, the spotting is usually due to the pregnancy itself and not at all because of the scan. The ultrasound only reveals what is already there. It doesn't cause fresh problems. So to summarize, transvaginal ultrasounds are completely safe during pregnancy. They are one of the best tools that we have to ensure that both mother and the baby are doing well, especially in the early weeks. If your doctor recommends one, you can go ahead confidently, knowing that it will provide valuable information and never harm you. Thank you for watching and hoping that this video reassures you. If you found this helpful, do share it with someone who might feel a little anxious about their early pregnancy scan.